Solstitch, a clock that turns passing hours into moving artwork. It gradually changes shape throughout the day by opening and closing like a flower. At midday, when the sun is higher in the sky, the clock is at its largest, and at 6 pm, when the sun is lower, the clock is at its smallest. It is a moving backdrop to everyday life, offering a new way to tell the time through shapes and the patterns. Solstitch is 12 hours clock with a single hour hand. Much like a sundial, it does not show minutes or seconds, but rather shows the time of the day that offers a more relaxed and meditative view of time. It also has a demo mode. In this mode, it completes one rotation every 60 seconds, perfect for entertaining. You can leave it in the demo mode for a few minutes or a few hours or a few months. It's up to you. When you switch back to clock mode, it will always return to the correct time. And to switch between the two modes, just tap the lower middle bar. It has a touch sensor. In continuous motion, it is incredibly smooth and terribly silent. Citgo, the world's most versatile folding electric bike. With its cool appearance, simple, lightweight and easy to store with 3 simple folding steps, it's the best partner when you are traveling around. With the 180 brushless hub motor powers you to achieve up to 25 km per hour, and you'll be running up hills without ever having to paddle again. You just stretch out Citgo, get on and go until its long life environmental friendly lithium battery drains, while there are 35 km gone. This highly efficient mini bike is perfect for everyday commuting. What's more offered to you is the most affordable prices than anything in this class. Charge your cell phone with this inbuilt USB charging port and enjoy your selfie time anytime, anywhere. It also has 360-degree rotating cell phone holder right while listening to your favorite music. Or don't miss your route. The world's first electrical bike can be charged by car cigarette lighters that will keep your Citgo never run out of power, being your best travel companion ever. Habby uses the patented process to deliver unique magnetic field to your body. They help you to feel calm, relaxed, alert, sleepy. So many ways that can use Habby to help you feel better. Habby replicates dozens of feelings by playing predictable electromagnetic fields. What you are getting is a 40 milligauss magnetic field at very tiny magnetic field, and they are playing these signals onto your body at about 20 kHz. As you are using the device, the magnetic fields are traveling through the coils onto your body. It's not heat-based, it's not invasive, it's not ionizing, it's just simple magnetic fields. Thus, Habby can replicate different feelings by playing safe, low-energy magnetic signals. Finn is a gesture-based control for all your devices. Finn is a Bluetooth-enabled device which can control a variety of smart devices for switching a device to another. All you need to do is tap on your fingers. Finn makes life simpler. Now everything is at your fingertips and it feels like having magical power. Its possibilities are endless. For playing games, the changing lives for many. For taking business presentations. Finn also comes in handy while you drive. You can answer calls, control the AC and music system without even moving your hands from the wheels. Finn is really amazing when it comes to taking photos or sharing files, and Finn works well with the head-mounted devices. Quench C. Quincy is a groundbreaking low-cost portable manually powered device that instantly turns seawater into drinkable fresh water. Quincy is revolutionary technology that combines a unique hydraulic system, triple pre-filtrations, and a small reverse osmosis membrane to turn seawater into fresh water. Quincy is primarily developed to help make an impact on the lives of the people with no access to clean water. Before any emergency at sea or on the coast, it converts seawater into a clean, fresh drinking water. Quincy can be a vital lifeline, offering emergency access to clean water in the worst case scenario. Only manual operation is needed to produce about 2 liters of fresh water in an hour. Big efforts to solve one of the biggest challenges of our time, access to clean, fresh water. Himo Z20, the all-new foldable electric power bike. Whether you are commuting, exploring, or looking for a more exciting way to stay fit, it is a new adventure companion. Step your life up ahead and take mobility to next level. Power through any terrain. It has high efficiency DC brushless motor. Be ready for any expedition with 10A capacity battery that will power up your ride and allow you to go as far as 80 km and enjoy both manual and power system. Fold bike in seconds. Keep bike your side wherever you go. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum alloy frame. Charge your companion anytime, anywhere using removable lithium battery. Be prepared for any eventuality with its integrated air pump just in case. Monitor life cycling data on its crystal clear display, and of course, it is waterproof. Dreamlight Pro sleeping device. Dreamlight's design moves the pressure away from sensitive facial areas. Due to 3D facial mapping technology, unique contoured design can fit on all different face shapes. Dreamlight Pro Slide Let Sleep at Systems emits a soothing pulsing orange light along with therapeutic ambient sounds or mindful breathing guides in audio playing, eases you into sleep quickly. Dreamlight Pro's audio sleep ad system provides sounds of nature, white noises, or any kind of music you like. It is driven by Bluetooth technology and 4 embedded premium speakers. The binaural audio system gives you surround sounds effects of being present in the relaxing and natural environment. Light app tracks and records your sleep data with the help of Sleep Genie. The wake-up setting Dreamlight uses internal green lights which suppresses reproduction of melatonin, a sleep hormone, to slowly wake you up so that you begin your day in relaxed. Dreamlight is your ultimate sleep care solution. EvaChill Air Cooler. EvaChill is very similar to many of the ever seen on TV products that you see on commercials. It is a personal cooler that can be carried wherever you go, offering air conditioning in virtually any location. To operate EvaChill, all you need is in the filtering media, pour the water into the unit and let EvaChill do the rest. The machine will use the water supply to cool the air around you. Also using the filter media, it will block any impurities that may be in the water. For such a small price, it will be difficult to find better personal air conditioning product. Kivano KO1. Kivano is one-wheeled electric scooter that is designed to be taken virtually anywhere. Though it is specifically designed for off-road use, the scooter is lightweight and designed with a carbon fiber, making it extremely durable, water resistant, and fireproof. The scooter is completely electric and operates on several LG designed batteries. In order to ride the scooter, simply unfold the feet, flip the switch and take off. The speed is adjustable so that you can always dial in the specific speed you are looking for. For pricing, it is currently unknown, but the scooters are listed on Amazon. If you are looking for an interesting alternative to the new hoverboards that seem to be very popular, the Kivano KO1 is yours. Just hop on the scooter and you are ready to ride. No setup required. Mudra Band. It is Apple Watch band. Suddenly, nothing will remain same. You will gain powers beyond wildest dreams. All of reality will be at fingertips, and all you have to do is just make little gestures. Yes, makes life sweet. This is Mudra Band, the world's first wrist-worn band to device interface. And yes, it is already actually works. The Mudra Band connects to your Apple Watch using neural technology. It translates your finger movements into everyday control functions on your watch. By capturing finger movements, the Mudra Band lets you touch loosely, interact with your watch, and using just one hand. No need to pause, look at the display, or engage your other hand. Setting it up is as simple as it connect your Mudra Band and watch through Bluetooth and start enjoying limitless freedom. Amazfit ZenBuds are the smart sleep earbuds with soft and stretchy silicone ear tips and a charging case that gives them 7 extra cycles. If you have trouble falling asleep, honestly a good night's sleep with Amazfit ZenBuds is as easy as taking them out of the case. With ultra stretchy material and soft texture, Amazfit ZenBuds are the best in ear fit. Simply tilt it in and it will stay nice and secure. Connect them to the app and you can listen to the variety of nature sounds to induce your sleep. Oh, and don't forget to set an alarm before bed. Amazfit ZenBuds are so comfortable to wear, even when you toss and turn, you won't feel a thing. When you are sound asleep, it will auto stop the music playing. In the morning, Amazfit ZenBuds make sure to wake you up and only you. You don't want to wake up your partner. It will also track your sleep pattern every night and you can easily check it up on your app. SitPack Camster. SitPack Camster, a truly revolutionary chair. Reimagined. Once again, it was built chair for anyone seeking adventure. It was set out to make the smallest and lightest camster a chair that fits any lifestyle. The camster opens in just few seconds. Simply flip it to open and pull and twist the telescopic legs as it locks into place. From anodized die-cast aluminum, this chair is incredibly durable and thoughtfully designed by utilizing one-of-a-kind locking mechanism as well as ripstop nylon. Camster was designed for comfort and portability, no compromises. The unique design increases the leg maneuverability and sitting comfort impressively. This chair keeps a seat height and backrest just like a normal chair.